In today's video, we are going to talk about the Visa Bulletin for June 2026. If you are new to the channel, my name is Liman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information we have from the Visa Bulletin for June 2026. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell for the future upload, and give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. The Visa Bulletin summarizes the availability of immigrant visas during the month they release it for final action dates and dates for filing applications. If you are doing adjustment of status, you must go to this link right here and see which chart you're gonna use. Next month, adjustment of status filing chart for family sponsored filings. For all family sponsored preference categories, you must use the date for filing chart in the Department of State Visa Bulletin for June 2026. So now we know everyone must use date for filing chart. Let's go now to the Visa Bulletin for June 2026 and go to chart B. First chart, we're not going to use it because USAS decided everyone must use chart B, which is date for filing family sponsored visa application. That's the chart we're going to use. That's chart B. So let's start with F1. For all countries, I'm sorry, the priority date for all countries, including China and India, is 1st October 18. For Mexico, the priority date is 1st October 2008. For Philippines, the priority date is 22nd April 2015. For F2A, priority date all around the world, including China, India, Mexico, and Philippines, is current. For F2B visa, so the priority date all around the world, including China and India, is 22nd March 2018. For Mexico, the priority date is 15 May 2010. For Philippines, the priority date is 1st October 2013. Let's move on to the next one, which is F3 visa. The priority date all around the world, including China and India, is 8 December 2012. For Mexico, the priority date is 15 July 2001. For Philippines, the priority date is 8 August 2006. Let's move on to the next one, which is F4 visa. The priority date all around the world, including China, is 22nd December 2009. For India, the priority date is 15 December 2006. For Mexico, the priority date is 30th April 2001. And Philippines, the priority date is 22nd March 2008. Now, let's check and see if we have any movement from May 2026. Let's start with F1. For F1, the priority date for all countries, including China, India, Mexico, is 1st October 2018. Same priority date on June. So there is no movement for all countries, including China, India, Mexico. For Philippines, priority date on May was 22nd April 2015. On June, same priority date is 22nd April 2015. So there is no movement. For F1 now, there is no movement for all countries, including China, India, Mexico, and Philippines. Let's move on to F2A visa. So the priority date is still current from May. So all priority dates from May are current for all countries, China, India, Mexico, and Philippines. So the priority dates are current. Let's move on to F2B visa. So the priority date on May for all countries, including China and India, is 1st January 2018. On June, the priority date is 22nd March 2018. For Mexico, the priority date on May was 15th May 2010. On June, same priority date. So there is no movement. For Philippines, the priority date on May is 1st October 2013. Same priority date on June, 1st October 2013. So for F2B visa, there is a 2 month movement and 3 weeks for all countries, including China and India. For Mexico, there is no movement. For Philippines, there is no movement as well. So let's move on to F3 visa. So the priority date on May for all countries, including China and India, is 8 December 2012. On June, the priority date is 8 December 2012. So same priority date for all countries, including China and India. So there is no movement. For Mexico, the priority date on May is 15th July 2001. On June, same priority date is 15th July 2001. So there is no movement for Mexico. Let's move on to Philippines. So the priority date on May is 8 August 2006. On June, the priority date is 8 August 2006. So there is no movement. So for F3, there is no movement for all countries, including China, India, Mexico, and Philippines. Let's move on to F4 visa. So the priority date on April for all countries, including China, is 1st September 2009. On June, the priority date is 22nd September 2009. So there is a 3 weeks movement for all countries, including China, 3 weeks as well. For India, the priority date on April is 15 December 2006, same priority date on June, 15 December 2006. So there is no movement. For Mexico, the priority date on April is 30th April 2001. On June is the priority date is the same, is 30th April 2001. For Philippines, the priority date on April is 22nd March 2008. On June, 22nd March, priority date is 22nd March 2008. So there is no movement. So for A4, there is a 3 weeks movement for all countries, including China. There is no movement for India, Mexico, and Philippines. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.